This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Tom Martin. Individual lots not available. Suitable for one 12.85 acre incredible estate site, or one lake lot with 4 access lots with common dock, or 2 lake lots and 3 interior lots. Potential for individual docks on Lot 1, Sewall installed, and Lot 5, Riprap installed. Prime unmatched location. Draft of covenants and restrictions available, if needed. Septic fields and buildings site for each lot identified. Prime home site locations on every lot. Pipe for septic under road from Lot 5 to 5A in place. Drawings for all options available. Updated configuration of the 2 multiple lot options need to be submitted to Greene County for approval. Final dock approval to be applied to and granted by Georgia Power. Final Plat and CC&Rs attached. Call agent for different platted options and/or additional information.